6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, top. Allumage 2 ESR, décollage.
Ariane 6 is the new generation launcher of the European Space Agency. The rockets are commercialized and operated by Ariane Space when they are developed in partnership with ESA, Ariane Group and the Centre National d'Études Spatiales in France. At Borscht, we have a wide experience in the aerospace industry, as demonstrate our strong collaboration in the Ariane 6 program. Thanks to our range of Borscht VTLC Aero machine, we participated in cutting-edge engineering projects with primary stakeholders of the Ariane 6 program.
The acquisition of the Bosch vertical lathe and its complete installation has been a strategic decision for Airbus at our Getafe plant, for several key reasons: enhanced efficiency, significantly reducing production lead times and boosting overall manufacturing performance.
This extensive effort has resulted in a precise and reliable machine.
Es una máquina que tiene un amplio eje I que permite meter y sacar fácilmente las piezas. También tiene un cargador de herramientas bastante amplio para meter herramienta de torno y de fresa.
Es una máquina que está muy adaptada a las necesidades del operario, ya que está totalmente aislada de los ruidos de la máquina y también de las partículas que puedan salir del mecanizado. Es una máquina de última generación, ya que puede trabajar con gran número de revoluciones y ello permite trabajar con un gran número de piezas, ya sea fresado, torneado, de gran tamaño.
The vertical lathe facilitates to machine fiber with the vacuum system. We have gained versatility to machine fiber and aluminum, and perform operations that we couldn't do before.
The machine is very reliable, having a low breakdown rate. The maintenance tasks are easy to do, thanks to the great accessibility to the mechanism. Bosch gives us a huge support for troubleshooting and service topics.
The communication of the team The follow-up of the project and the detail in all issues related with the vertical lathe is evident in the great results of the lathe.